I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see.
Hey guys, it's your girl Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you are new to the channel, or you just keep on clicking on my videos, why not go ahead and subscribe? Click that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Okay, so today I have a wig on a budget video. I'm gonna have a lot of wig videos coming for you guys. I recently purchased like $100 worth of wigs. What? Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I purchased about $100 worth of wigs. I got 5 wigs, so they were all about $20 a piece, which I think is a absolutely great price to get a wig for $20. So let's go ahead and get into this wig that I have on my head. This is the Freetress Venetia Wig, and she is the 5-inch lace parts. Hold this back for y'all. So yes, it I only have this parting that's going back to the back like this. There's no other lace or anything. It did come with some baby hairs, so yeah, these are the baby hairs that I have slicked down. But yeah, it's just really cute. I got Venetia in the color number 2. This is my first time trying Venetia on. I did have to pluck this part because, honey, when I say this kind of looked a mess, and when I put it on my head, it just looked like I had just plopped the wig on my head. Didn't look cute. So I would suggest plucking this wig first so that it looks very, very natural. Venetia comes in several different colors. I have her in the color number 2, but you can get her in like an OT copper. I've seen a lot of people do the copper color. I wanted the copper color, but they were out. So yeah, I've seen people with the copper color. I haven't seen anyone with this blonde OT 613, but they have, of course, 1B and just a whole bunch of other colors, the OT 27, OT 30, and this does say that it is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, but I would not be using curling iron or anything like that on this hair, just because I like the way these curls are. Like, I like the curl pattern, and it's like cut in this cute little bob. Let me turn around to the back so y'all can see. So yeah, I would say she's probably at like about 12 inches, 10 to 12 inches. It's a little bit longer in the front, back, you know, just like a little angle symmetric bob. So yes, this is synthetic hair once again, and I really, really like it, you guys. This hair feels really, really soft, and it kind of has like a yaki like texture, but it's not like too yucky, and it's not too silky feeling either. Feels really, really good, and of course the hair just looks really full. Let me show you guys the inside of it. So yeah, let's show the inside. I do have on my wig cap, so you guys, y'all know I like to show y'all the inside of what the wig is looking like. So on the inside we have 2 combs up here at the top. And I didn't use those combs when I just had it on. So we have 2 combs up here at the top, and you have a comb at the bottom of the wig, and then you got some adjustable straps so you can make it tighter if you have a smaller head, or you know, if you need to loosen it up, you can do just that. So yeah, that's the basic construction. Let me put this back on, see if I can put it back on correctly. Okay, so I put it back on to as decent as I possibly could without having a mirror in front of me. I think it looks okay. I'll fix it back though a little bit later. But yes, and it's also, it did come a little poofy up at the top, so that all I did was I took my curling wand and I just kind of smoothed it out at the top, and it just laid right back down. So yes, this is Venetia. So let me know, you guys, if you have tried Venetia out in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if y'all want to see me like pluck some of my parts on my wigs. I know I don't really show y'all like the whole shebang of what I do to get my wigs to look as natural looking as possible. But let me know if you want to see me pluck, you know, take a wig that really needs plucking and show what I do to lay it down, how I use some Got To Be Glued freeze spray on my head today to lay this down, and then my Eben edge lock or edge tamer gel for my edges or whatever. So let me know in the comment section down below if y'all want to see all of that, because I will gladly show y'all. And also let me know what you guys think of this look on me and if you would try it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.